Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Israel Reviews. Today I'm going to unbox another product that we have just ordered. Yesterday I made a unboxing video of this DJI gimbal. We purchased this gimbal yesterday itself. I made an unboxing video and apparently or unfortunately we had to make another unboxing video because till now the mic that we were using just drained off completely. It is not even turning on. I'm not sure what the reason is. So till date we were using the Digitech microphone, which looks something like this. Very small pieces. You get two microphones, you have a clip here, you can attach it, and then this is specifically designed for iPhone. You have the lightning connector here. I was moderately satisfied, not completely satisfied, but yeah, I was moderately satisfied with these small pieces of mics. But unfortunately, these aren't working now. So we had to, in a rush, we had to order something else. Now, when we were looking for mics, there are loads and loads of options available in the market. I was kind of finalizing on Rode mic. However, my wife, who's Shipra, she asked me to research more and look for the best one out there. So what we did was we finally settled down on this one, which is, I'm sure you'll be able to see it now. This is again a DJI mic. Though it's comparatively very expensive if I compare it with these tiny mics that I was using. As far as I recall, I purchased this one for approximately 1800 rupees, 1800 rupees from Amazon. Whereas if I talk about this mic that we have just purchased from Amazon, this has costed me like 35,000 rupees. 35, yes. It's a huge difference, but now I believe that this is our go-to mic for all the other videos that we're going to make on YouTube now. Okay, before I begin the unboxing, I would like to tell you, just in case you haven't subscribed to our channel, I request you to please subscribe to our channel. In case you like this unboxing video, please do like and share this video as much as you can. I will also be making a complete detailed review of this DJI mic so that it can help you in terms of deciding on the right mic in case you're planning to upgrade the existing mic that you have. So let me tell you a few features about this mic and the reason why we have finalized on this mic now. Okay, so let's quickly talk about why we chose this mic, because it comes with two transmitters and one attachment that attaches to either your DSLR, your mobile phone, your smartphones, laptops. So it has a vast compatibility. You can connect it with iPhone or any Android phone, connect it with your MacBook, or you can connect it with a Windows laptop, and then it supports all the DSLR cameras as well. That was the first reason why we chose this one. Also, let me show this to you much closely. This is kind of a all-in-one device ready to use. It comes with this sort of box that you can see. It's a storage box, and all you need to do is you need to attach only one USB Type-C cable and it will charge all the three gadgets together. It has a 250 meter of range. I know we are not going to use it with that distance. However, it supports a great range, which gets very beneficial in case you're making outdoor videos. Apart from that, it has a 15-hour battery life. So once you charge it, the charging time is approximately 70 minutes, 70, and then you can use these mics for like 15 hours. So if you are a YouTuber, you're a blogger, travel blogger, all you need to do is you need to charge it once in the day and then you can use it the entire day. Apart from that, it is kind of a magnetic attachment. You need to put it inside the box and it magnetically attaches to it. Also, it comes with a OLED touch screen. So if you have it attached to your DSLR camera or your iPhone or your Android phone, you will be able to see how the connections are. You will be able to see the battery levels and everything in one single go with that touch screen and the display. I've already covered about the recording time. It also has a unique feature wherein you will be able to record your audio directly to these devices in case you're not recording to let's say maybe a phone or a DSLR camera, you will have the functionality to record the voices directly to these devices and then download it to your system and use it as a voiceover. So now let me quickly unbox it and show you what do we get inside the box. It comes with this sort of packaging. As I told you about the gimbal that we purchased yesterday, this gimbal, it also comes with a similar sticker that says 1-year warranty with bill. So in case you have a bill, this comes again with a 1-year warranty. It has a DJI logo placed here. Okay, now let me unbox it. It comes with this cellophane sort of packaging. Okay, surprisingly, this again comes with a maximum retail price specified as 44,990. I don't know if it is clearly visible to you or not. As I said, we've purchased this for 35,000 rupees, which the exact price was somewhere around 34,990. But the printed price, it says 44,990. Okay, so this is the box. It is a bit damaged from here. Alright, let's open it and see. Okay, so you get a proper factory seal here so that you can be sure that it is not a used product. Okay, alright. Okay, then the box has a few things specified here that says it comes with a charging case, it comes with a receiver, 2 transmitters, it comes with a carrying pouch as well, and then it has a hot shoe adapter which will primarily be used for your DSLR cameras. You can place the receiver here, which is the hot shoe mount. It comes with the 2 windscreens as well, primarily if you're using it outdoor or right in front of a fan or something, so it will stop that noise which comes with the wind. It comes with the mobile adapter as well, which is the lightning adapter, which is for iPhone, and then it also comes with the Type-C adapter, which is for the other type of phones. It comes with a camera audio cable as well, which will help me in attaching my DSLR camera as well with this. It then has an instructions manual, a clip magnet. This is also a very useful feature, so you need not to always clip it on somewhere. It comes with a magnetic clip so that you can put it on your shirt or your t-shirt or whatever. And then it also has a charging cable. Okay, this looks like a manual, and then a storage pouch is here. Okay, so this is the one. This looks so amazing. Such a tiny piece, though it is a bit heavy. I'm not sure of the product weight. It doesn't say anything here on the back of it. But yeah, this looks very amazing. It has a USB-C charging port here. It has a DJI badging. Okay, let me open it. Alright, it comes out like this only. Okay, so that's how it is. You have this embossed DJI badging which is here. I'm sure you'll be able to see it is a bit embossed. This case looks very sturdy. It is of the matte finish, looks very classy, and definitely these LED indicators, I'm sure it has 4 indicators here if it is visible, and I'm sure these indicators are for you to see the battery levels. Okay, let's open it. Okay, as soon as I open, 3 indicators lit up automatically, and then can you see the display has also lit up. It says transmitter 1 has 15.1 hour of battery, transmitter 2 also has 15.1 hour of battery. I'm not sure if it is showing the same as it's something else, but this display looks very nice. Looks like it's a touch screen thing, and then it says RX, which is the transmitter, how much, or the receiver, how much battery it has. It also has these 2 ports here. Let me take it out and show you. So okay, I'm not sure what is it. Must be the attachment clip. Okay, so here this small touchscreen says you can select your language, you can click next. Okay, you need to specify the date. Date is already mentioned here. You click next. Okay, you need to set the time also. So it is 10 p.m. as of now. Okay, I don't know how do we set up the time here. Okay, nice. This touchscreen looks very classy. Okay, it's 10 a.m. so 10 p.m. sorry. So I will set up the time here. Okay. This touchscreen is really amazing. One of the best thing I've ever seen in till date in handling all the gadgets that I've been handling. Okay, I think we've set up a different time. Okay, so looks like we are up and ready. Okay, I'll put this back. This is how the receivers look, sorry, the transmitters look like. Very tiny, looks quite amazing. And I think this was the magnetic clip I was talking, this is the magnetic clip I was talking about. So this magnet is quite sturdy. It fixes, see, okay, you must have heard that click sound. Okay, it comes with a clip here. Okay, it has a clip here, and then these units all have the individual charging ports so that you can individually charge as well, and if you want to charge all three together you can do that as well. So to me till now this looks stunning and looks like we've made the right decision to choose this one. Okay, if you close this, the lights goes off and looks like I'll have to charge this for some time before I can start using it. Okay, so as I said, I am going to test this once this is fully charged, and I'm going to show you how this actually sounds. You will be able to get the exact review of how it feels like to use a DJI microphones along with a DJI gimbal, and as of now we are using an iPhone, or most probably we'll try and use the DSLR camera for making a video. So I really hope you would have liked our unboxing video. In case you've liked, please subscribe to our channel. I am going to make another video wherein I'm going to tell you all about this microphone, whether it is worth the price or not. So keep watching. Thank you so much. Bye bye.